Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Duhaney Park, the community of Duhaney Park. Now we are on Washington Boulevard and we're going to be turning off and going into Duhaney Park at the stoplight. Duhaney Park is a very large community in Jamaica, and it's also a very popular community. So we're going to go into it and take a quick tour. So at the stoplight we're going to turn right, but you can see this plaza on the right. That's the Duhaney Park Plaza. It was recently renovated. So we're going into Duhaney Park now. If we continued straight, we would stay on Washington Boulevard and head towards Mandela Highway. And if we turn left at this stoplight, we go into Corville Gardens. And on the left, you can see those apartment buildings. That's the Corville Gardens area. We have videos up of Corville Gardens, so you can check them out if you're interested. So this is now the Duhaney Park area. On the right, that's Total Energies Duhaney Park. That's the Duhaney Park Police Station on the right. On the left, you have a lot of business places. Well, there were actually homes that are converted to stores, because Duhaney Park has a large residential area. So you're going to find everything here that you need to support a residential area. Stores, lots of stores, supermarkets, those kind of things, restaurants, bars. On the right is the Duhaney Park School. Not sure if it's a primary or the high school. Let's see, Duhaney Park Primary School. So that's the primary school on the right. And we're not even going to bother talk about the roads. I mean, it's ridiculous the state of the roads in these residential areas. So if we continue driving, we would take this road, I think it's the Duhaney Park Road, all the way back to Red Hills Road. But we're going to turn left and go through the residential area so you can get an idea of what the homes look like in the Duhaney Park area. We are telling you, these roads are the responsibility of the parish council, and all these residents, they pay land tax, which is supposed to go towards fixing the roads. And look at the state of these roads. Alright, well, this is the Duhaney Park residential area. This is where you find the homes. Some very nice homes. Alright, we're back out on the main road now. We're just taking a quick tour of what the neighborhoods look like. I want to turn down this road. Just take a quick spin around and then come back out. As you can see, lots of homes. hundreds, if not thousands, of homes in this neighborhood. Notice some boxes on top of the light pole. I'm not sure what those are for. Maybe it's the prepaid meters. I'm not sure. Never seen them before. If anybody knows what those boxes are for on the light pole, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. They're all over the neighborhood. Alright, so we're heading back out to the main road now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.